Hiya everyone, so today I have got another video for you, and I have got the W7 Beauty Blast advent calendar to unbox for you. I'm so excited about this. I unbox this every year. This is a very budget friendly advent calendar. We've done pretty much mostly budget friendly advent calendars up to now. This is the 2026 edition. I love how it's like a bit thicker. It's like an open door. I can't remember if last year's was like that. This is £21. It is a 24-day advent calendar. I bought this on Amazon, so you can get it on Prime, which is next day delivery. And yeah, I'm just going to work out how much it is. Works out at 91 pence a day, so we're going to unbox this and see if it's worth 91 pence a day. But I mean, that's very budget friendly. Here it is, here, all opened up in its boxes, which is good. I like boxes. We've got to remember it works out at 91 pence a day, so we're just going to go straight into it. So we've got day number 1, which is here, wrapped in tissue. That's still a good little thing, a little nice touch. So the first thing we've got is the W7 Prime Grip Primer, just a little mini size. There it is there. How big is this? 8 mil, so yeah, canny. I feel like we've got that last year. I don't know. No, I honestly don't know. But yeah, okay, for 90 odd pence, I think that's okay. So that's day number 1. We're on to day number 2, which is a long one here. I'm guessing like a lip liner or an eyeliner or something like that. Oh no, it's actually small. It's like short. I thought it was going to be a long product. We have got the thick drip lip gloss. We definitely got this in last year's. This is a 3 mil size as well. Ooh, we've got something we never had before. This is the cream to powder blush, and it's called a blush fill, and I can't see a shade. I don't know whether this is actually a new product for them, but that is it there. And that looks really nice, really nice. I quite like the packaging on that as well. So that is day number 3. Should we swatch that? Yes, you know what, we'll swatch it. Oh, it's very slippery. Oh, you can feel that it's going to like a blush, like a powder. Oh, I think with no makeup I would like that. We'll have to see. Time will tell. But yeah, that was day number 3. I like that. We got something different, something we haven't had before. So we want day number 4, which is here. We have got the Eye Lust Spotlight Shimmer Eyeshadow, and this looks very Urban Decay, doesn't it? Very pretty. Very pretty. That is stunning. Really bonny, that. Single eyeshadow. I mean, that is so pretty. That was day number 4. We went day number 5, which is a big one up here, which I'm guessing is probably something like a mirror, maybe a powder puff. Very light. Oh, we've got like one of them facial cleansing pads. I like them. We've gotten them before. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That's day number 5. We went to day number 6, which is this one here. We have got something in a round. We have got the Bronzing Days Honolulu. Oh, this is a cream one. Oh, we're getting a cream one. It's different. Right, let's have a try this. We normally get Honolulu, but we normally get the powder one. That is it there. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Normally Honolulu is a little bit dark for me actually, but I'm a little bit more tan than I normally am. So that was day number 6. With day number 7, which is just underneath it, we have getting this hydrating toner mist. So this is part of their skincare. So that's canny. I do like little things like that. That would be great for travelling because it's only 10 mil size as well. That was 7. We want day number 8. I'm guessing an eyeliner because these are long. Eyeliner, lip liner, something like that. We do normally get them. We have got the Double Draw Lip Contour Automatic Pencil. It's not an automatic, so I don't know why it's called that, but it's a pencil. That is it there. It looks a very nice shade. Very my shade, but I've got like God knows how many shades of that in different browns. So yeah, that was day number 8. And if you don't know and you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe, because all the items that I don't swatch, I do a giveaway with some of the items from the items that I don't swatch, and I do 2 in the month of November and October. So yeah, I do an advent calendar giveaway basically, so subscribe. So that was day number 8. We went day number 9, which is down here. Oh, we've got like a little one scrunchie. I feel like we should add 2. I'm not going to complain, but yeah, I suppose I am complaining. But yeah, we got that. That was day number 9. We want day number 10, which is up here. We have got another skin quench, hydrating ceramide moisturizer, and it's just 10 ml size, so it's a moisturizer, so it goes with the toner. So we got that. We want day number 11, which is along here. We have got a True Grip eyeshadow primer. Oh, that's canny. That's something different. It's just a squeezy one. Can you say? A squeezy one. So that's good, especially if you want your eyeshadow to last like all day. That's something I never really use. I don't wear eyeshadow. I'm not an eyeshadow wearer. Even though I've got loads of eyeshadow palettes, but you know, it is what it is. Day number 11. We want day number 12. I feel like as I've got older, I feel like eyeshadow ages me. So in day number 12, we have got another double draw lip contour automatic lip pencil. I don't know why it's called automatic, because it's actually a pencil. It's in like a very neutral nude shade. So we have got that. We're in day number 13, which is a little bit wider. So I wonder, I've got something wider in this one. It's a little bit wider than the others. Let's have a look. We've got a clear lip gloss. We definitely got this in last year's as well. And it is just a little 3 ml size. I love these sizes. I think they're perfect for your bag if you're going out and stuff like that. That was 13. We went day number 14. Which is here. We have got a H2O water-based loose powder. We definitely got this the last time and all. And I actually don't even think I've tried the one that I got last time, because I'm still trying to use up all the powders I've got. Yeah, but I've heard really good things about this. But you know, when you just have makeup and it's just lost in the barrel of too much makeup, that's what happened with the last one. But the other one's still brand new and sealed too. Yeah, but yeah, I'm excited to try the one I've got, even though I've had it for ages. But that's what happens in life. I think life gets in the way. Day number 15 in anyways. That was 14. We have got a cream to powder highlighter. Oh, in another one of these beautiful packagings as well. This is the Reflectful cream to powder. It doesn't actually look creamy there though. Let's have a feel. Oh, it's not cream. It's just a powder, I feel like. Oh, but it's beautiful. I would use that as an eyeshadow. That is stunning. So that is that there. That is beautiful. I wouldn't say it's a cream. I definitely wouldn't say that's a cream. That would be beautiful on your collarbones and things like that. It's really nice. I'm not a big highlighter wearer, but I wanted to feel the texture and they got me. So that's 15. We want day number 16, which is here. We have got another skin quench, and this is the Jelly Cleanser. So that is cute, isn't it? So I feel like we're getting like the skin quench range. If any of you have tried that, let me know. So we want day number 17, which is above 16. We have got something little. We have got a little lipstick, and this is the Lippy Chick Ultra Cream Lipstick, and this is a chat. And these are minis of like their full-size lipstick. I'm sure they are. I'm sure last time, and this is in the shade Small Talk, yeah. and I think they're just such cute little sizes, like perfect for your handbag. So that was 17. We want day number 18. Ian's sad this is coming to an end. Day number 18, which is here. We have got, what are you? The Jump Up mascara. I will put an image of it here on the screen. I'm not going to open it up. I've got loads of mascaras that I need to try. So yeah, I will put it on an image on the screen of it. But normally their minis are like minis of their full size ones. So yeah, so that was 18. We went day number 19, which is over here. We have got a sponge. It's actually their branded sponge, and all it's got W7 on. It's quite a tough sponge. I like that. I like that it's their branded sponge. Sometimes, you know, with these cheaper ones, we get ones and they're not branded. But yeah, good. Good full size day. On day number 20, which is here, we have got the Matte Icon Eye Lust, and this would be really nice for like your outer corners. I like how we're getting like the newer packaging. Like these are definitely newer items, so I think that's good. So that was day number 20. Went to day number 21, just up here. I think maybe a lip liner again, or eyeliner. We have got the King Cole black eyeliner. That is it there. Standard thing. Fab little item if you wear eyeliner. Yeah, so that was 21. Eva coming to an end. We want 22, which is up here. We haven't had the fragrance last couple of years. We've gotten a fragrance. I'm gutted because we haven't had one yet. Oh wait, this might be it. No, it's not. Got this in last year's as well. We got the Golden Glow drops, bronzing drops. These are really nice too. This is a little 8ml size. I think that's a fab size, because honestly a little goes a long way. So that's 22. Went 23, which is here. This is heavy, so maybe the fragrance. This is me just being hopeful for fragrance. No, it's not. It's the Fresh Grip setting mist, and you know what, I'm going to put this on now because it's actually a nice setting mist, and I haven't got no setting mist on my face right now. And I love the little travel size of it as well, and I used last year's up. It's a good little setting mist, so yeah, I think that's a good one, so I'm happy with that. So that was day number 23. Went day number 24, which is heavy. It's actually really heavy. I haven't got a clue what this is. Oh, what are you? We've got the Sugar Cookie Overnight Lip Mask. It's like full size. I'm assuming this is going to be like Christmas scent. Oh, it smells like biscuits. It smells really nice. Yeah, that is a really nice little product to get. That's really nice. Good full size, and it smells Christmassy. I liked this year's, I really did. I thought it was a good little advent calendar. The only thing I will say, me personally, I think it's missing the little fragrance. I loved getting the fragrance in it, but that's just my personal preference because I am a perfume junkie. I was absolutely good. I missed out on a few perfume advent calendars last year. This year is like, I'm going to try and get them because that is what I love. But I love this advent calendar. For the price, I'm so happy with it. Really am. I feel like you're getting a bit of skincare, you're getting a bit of makeup, you've got a hair bubble. I really liked it. Yeah, I did. I liked it. I would have preferred the powder puff. I'm sure we've gotten a powder puff previous years. I would have preferred the powder puff to the sponge, but that's just my personal preference of what I use. Some people probably use sponges all the time. Yeah, but I loved it. Really happy with it. Definitely happy that I got it. I will link it down below for you. I think this one is a good one. I really do. For the money in anyways, and for like its targeted audience, of course, because obviously this targeted audience is teenagers and younger people. But just because that is the targeted audience, I do not think that these products cannot be used on more mature skin. I'm more mature, and I would use quite a lot of these products, and I do use quite a lot of these products because I've had them before. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.